Welcome to all again. Now I am going to take more professional details of layers. So how designer is working, what the way we need to work on the rest trace layer, layer groups, layer adjustment, layer panels, layer style. Lot many things are there in the layers. So the complicated part is which layer you are working, what type of effects you are applying. That is very important for that. So the next sessions I am going to take as a professional designer, how you can able to use Photoshop and how can you work on the layers. So watch on this session very well. I'll explain very clearly. You think that I'm one of the team member of Photoshop engineering team, and I know in depth how each layer objects and everything is working. So I can give a clear cut explanation how it is working on that. Okay, thank you for watching this. Please watch on the next videos and thoroughly understand what I am explaining on that. Do practice. You can work in Photoshop in full screen without any menus, everything, all shortcut keys. How? You can expertise it. Once you expertise, you can use the tool easily. Any other graphic design tool you can easily work, but Photoshop is not that much easy because it's not simple in the layer shell. But I am giving very simplified way with the technical and non-technical, and in between you can also say that in a easy and quick way you can get the results and you can do the work. You can think about the alignment and everything, even a simple examples, so you can understand easily how it's working. So watch the next sessions of how as a professional you work on the lines.